Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive BMW X1. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for comfort and visibility before starting the engine. Fasten your seatbelt and familiarize yourself with key controls like headlights, wipers, and infotainment. Verify gear selector and parking brake behavior so you understand park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Check tire pressure and fuel level to avoid surprises on the road. When starting, press the brake and use the start button to engage the engine, then release the parking brake. Ease into the throttle to prevent jerky movement and keep both hands on the wheel for control. Use the infotainment screen, or HUD, to view navigation and safety alerts without looking away from traffic. Practice smooth stops by anticipating traffic flow and braking gradually to maintain passenger comfort and vehicle stability. Take advantage of driver aids like lane assist and adaptive cruise control to reduce fatigue on long drives. Switch driving modes to match road conditions, using Sport for spirited driving and Eco for better fuel efficiency. Keep a safe following distance and scan intersections early to spot hazards in time. Practice parking using the rear camera and sensors, and Rehearse Hill starts to build confidence with clutchless or automatic transmission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.